Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are tackling a crucial topic for professional success: how to communicate effectively with your manager. Whether you are a seasoned employee or just starting out in your career, knowing how to communicate with your manager can make all the difference in your work life. So let's dive in. Building a strong relationship with your manager starts with clear and effective communication. But how exactly do you do that? Let's look into it. Step 1. Establish open lines of communication. Make it a priority to build rapport with your manager from day one. Schedule regular check-ins, whether they are weekly one-on-one meetings or informal coffee chats. This will not only keep you aligned on goals and expectations, but also help you build trust and mutual respect. Step 2. Be proactive and transparent. Don't wait for your manager to come to you with questions or concerns. Take initiative by providing regular updates on your projects, sharing any challenges you are facing, and offering potential solutions. Transparency is a key to building a strong working relationship built on trust. Step 3. Tailor your communication style. Every manager is different, so it's important to adapt your communication style to fit their preferences. Some managers may prefer brief, to-the-point updates, while others may appreciate more detailed explanations. Pay attention to how your manager likes to communicate and adjust accordingly. Step 4. Listen actively and ask questions. Communication is a two-way street, so don't forget to listen as much as you speak. When meeting with your manager, actively listen to their feedback and ask clarifying questions to ensure you fully understand their expectations. This will not only show that you value their input, but also help prevent misunderstandings down the line. Step 5. Be respectful and professional. Remember to always maintain professional conduct when communicating with your manager. Even during challenging conversations, keep your tone polite and respectful, and avoid getting defensive or confrontational. By approaching all intentions with professionalism, you will build a reputation as a reliable and trustworthy team member. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can communicate effectively with your manager and build a strong working relationship that sets you up for success. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more career tips and advice. Thank you.